Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be filming for you a vanity tour. I'm going to show you everything that's over there, my setup, how I organize things, and some of the products, not all of them because that would just take way too long. But yeah, let's just jump right in because this is not going to be a short video. Okay, so when you come into the space in which I film, which is my bedroom, this is the vanity. So basically I have a plastic IKEA chair. As you can see, it's like a glass one, so it's see-through. My floor has cords all over it, excuse that. I have a IKEA desk. So basically it has the one set of drawers on that side, so it has a top drawer, and then it has like a door that opens to some other cupboards, and then it has the main pull-out drawer in the middle. I have this mirror, which I also got from IKEA, and then the lights are a stick-on type of light for vanities, and I actually got that as a gift for Christmas. So on my actual vanity, we'll start over here. I have my brushes. So these are both containers from IKEA, and then I have all my eyeshadow brushes and my sponges in one, and then I have all my face brushes in another. Majority are Morphe, but I have a couple random ones, like this one's from the dollar store, some of these are from ColourPop, and some are from e.l.f. But for the majority, they are all Morphe. I have my mirror, which is the mirror that I use when I'm filming to see myself in, obviously. What else would you use a mirror for? And then I have my two candles. So this one is pumpkin, I believe. This one is birthday cake. I have my little book in the back because I just have nowhere else to put it. And it looks pretty against the wall, I think. Even though you can't see it right now. On the other side of my vanity, I have my speaker, so I listen to music when I do my makeup sometimes. I have this little travel mirror, which I take with me. This stuff are my setting sprays and my oil. So I have one facial oil, which I have to still try out. This is from e.l.f. My Milani, my rose gold setting facial spray, and then I have my Morphe setting spray. Here is where I keep my display lipsticks as well as my liquid lipstick. I have two foundations, Physicians Formula, which is my favorite everyday foundation, my LA Pro Matte, which I actually have some new favorites currently. I have my Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. It's a nice dewy setting spray. And then my Flower Beauty Hydrating Primer, which is my favorite primer. Back here I have my ColourPop Lippy Sticks. And then I have some e.l.f. ones over here. And then I have some ColourPop lip liners, and this one is by Revlon. I also have my Hourglass Veil Settings Powder, which doesn't fit in here, so it's on top of the desk. And then, like I said, I have all of my liquid lips in here. So I have some Revlon, some Maybelline, some BH, some ColourPop, some NYX. And then I have like some Huda Beauty, I have some NYX, some Wet n Wild, and some Physician Formula liquid lipsticks. These are like all nudes, obviously. Like as you can see, there's clearly like a color that I like, which is like browns and pinky mauves and stuff. So that then brings us over to our face drawer. So this is where I keep all my face spaces in. So in here I have all of my setting powders. What are you doing over here? So I have my Maybelline one, my Cover FX, my Laura Mercier tester one, and my Makeup Revolution one. Again, the Veil one is up there because it doesn't really fit. And then for foundation, I have the Born This Way, the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, Makeup Forever foundation. I have my CoverGirl Vita Elixir one, the Makeup Forever BB cream, the Maybelline Dream Velvet, which I'm still testing this one out. I have the Ulta Beauty BB cream, the Maybelline BB cream, and then I should have 3 of these. And then I have all of my e.l.f. adjuster drops. Behind that, I keep my primers. So I have my ColourPop Rose Quartz Primer, Milani, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, e.l.f. Primer Stick, our Candy Primer Stick and the Professional, which I'm not actually really a big fan of. And then over here I keep all of my concealers, my brow products, and my mascaras. So I have some ColourPop ones, I got some Maybelline concealer, some Makeup Revolution concealer, and an LA Girl concealer. I have for brows, I have my NYX brow pencil and my L'Oreal brow plumper. It's the only two I use, only two I ever use. I also have my mascara, so I have my Revlon Dramatic Definition, my Volume Lash Mascara from L'Oreal, and I have my CoverGirl Lash Blast, which I do like this one, but I have the wrong color. And then I have this e.l.f. color corrector stick, which I almost never use because I don't really color correct. That brings us to our big kahuna drawer, which has literally everything else under the sun. So let's just start from here and we'll work our way this way. So over here I keep all of my single shadows. So I have some e.l.f. smudge pots, I have some ColourPop, I have my favorite eyeshadow of all time, my Milani eyeshadow, and then I have some of the L'Oreal infallible mascaras. Infallible single eyeshadows, which these are amazing. Then I have all of my lipsticks, which I try to keep standing up. It never stays that way. So there's some e.l.f., there's some Milani, there's some Maybelline. I really like the Maybelline formula. I have some Ulta, some ColourPop, and some Wet n Wild, and some Gosh. That's literally the name, Gosh. Lipsticks. Over here I keep bronzers, which is very hard to find bronzers, so I literally only have two. I have my Morphe Bronzer in Showmance, and then I have my Milani bronzer in Glowing. Here I keep single blushes, so I have some e.l.f. mineral blushes, very pretty. Another Morphe Bronzer that I use as a blush in Fantabulous. And then I have some e.l.f. baked blush and a baked highlighter, which I use as blush toppers. Moving right back here, we have all of my highlights that are also in single forms. So I got some liquid highlights from NYX. I have a contour stick from Milani because it's just random. I have nowhere else to put it. I have this one from Kaledo, which you saw in Ipsy. I have my favorite Milani one. I have this e.l.f. one in Apricot. And I have this Stila one as well in the shade Bronze. Over here, I keep lip glosses. I really like lip glosses. That's why I have so many. So, I have e.l.f. one because e.l.f. makes some of my favorite lip glosses. These are all e.l.f. This Morphe one, which is beautiful. It's also, again, one that I really, really like. I have this one from Ulta. These ones I got from La Senza. They're great for like throwing in your purse. They don't really have color in them, even though they look very colorful. I have one from ColourPop. I have even more e.l.f. ones. This is actually like a lip stain. It feels literally like cold water on your lips. One from NYC, which is, I honestly don't use this one very often, but it's like one of my first ones that I ever had in my makeup collection, like in general of just having makeup. So it's like a memory. I don't want to get rid of it. And then I have this one from Maybelline, which is very nude, and then I have another clear lip gloss, which is from Rimmel. In the very back here, I keep all of my eyeliners and some other miscellaneous things. So for eyeliners, I have some Essence, some NYX, some Ico. I have e.l.f. Wait, what is this? Yes, this is an eyeliner. It's very, very thick. Some Scone. One from Ulta. These are all different, like they're all different types. There's some Kohl's, there's some retractables, there's some pencils, and then there's also some brush tips and some felt tips. I have Physician Formula ones. This one from Milani. And another random stuff in there is I have a eyeshadow topper, but it's supposed to be able to be used in your lips and other places on your face, but I don't think I'd want that. From e.l.f. And then I have these NYX jumbo eye pencils. One is like a golden color and one is like a cranberry. Also in here I have my e.l.f. Mist and Set setting spray. I like to use this to wet pigments to make them look more intense. I have the Ulta Beauty matte setting spray, which I've been meaning to use this. I keep forgetting, so I'm gonna leave this on top. I have my NYX eyeshadow base primer. I don't really know if it does much for me. I have a spot cleaner for brushes, a little mini travel setting spray. This is a makeup eraser from e.l.f. Some chapstick, some lash glue, some lip treatment, and some eye drops. And then next we have our eyeshadow palettes, or any big palettes, and some small ones. So for small ones, I have the CoverGirl True Naked Chocoholic. I have these 3 Wet n Wild ones. I have this one from Rimmel, which I really only use for this last color because I use it as a bronzer, which I don't really use anymore as a bronzer, but it makes a really pretty eyeshadow. I have this Makeup Geek Travel little palette, which I have one highlighter in because it's giant. I have nowhere to put it, from ColourPop. I have my e.l.f. blush palette, which I love. And then I have these 2 ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. For bigger things, I have my Pixie highlighting palette. This is my favorite highlighter of all of them. My BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, my NYX Perfect Filter palette, my e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette. This is my Create Your Own palette that I made. I really like this. It's like my go-to. And then these 2 big Morphe ones. I also have a tiny little palette from ColourPop. And I have this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in Naked Prism because it makes a really great highlighter palette. Then I'll take you back over here, and in this drawer that I have here, honestly the bottom drawer I use, you can't see anything. I have the drawers here. So the bottom drawer I use for all of like my makeup cases and stuff. This I keep all like my random stuff, so like things I use to do my nails, extra pens and papers for work, and sunglasses. Up here I keep backups of things that I just have backups for. So I have some concealers. I have a spare lip gloss. I already have this lip gloss. I'm gonna give this one to Clarice actually. Also just Clarice on the Facebook. Oh, this brush is also Clarice, so she left it here. But yeah, I got some like backups of concealers, lip glosses, sponges. All my makeup wipes are in here. I have like lots in the back that push really far back. Some backup primers and liquid lipsticks. I have these actually, these are just free empty palettes that I got from ColourPop. I'm literally just gonna fill them with eyeshadows that I don't like, and then I'll just probably send them to somebody else who could use them. And the other thing in here is my giant Dare to Create palette because it literally fits nowhere else. It is so big. And then, oh my gosh, how could I forget? My giant flower. It decorates it. It brings a pop. It's literally the only decoration on here. But yeah, that basically completes the tour of my vanity. Sorry if this was a little bit all over the place and a mess. I'm sorry. It was kind of hard to film this video. I wasn't sure how to go about it, and I was trying to use my tripod. Maybe not the best idea, but I didn't want to hold my camera and then drop it. Knowing me, I'm clumsy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly wanted to make it so that like in the future I could look back and see all the products that I loved or used, see if I still use them. I thought it'd be fun. And yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!